Hola amigos y bienvenidos al canal. Welcome to my channel. Me llamo Nuria y soy tu profesora de español. In today's video, I bring 5 idioms or expressions in Spanish with body parts. As per the previous video, I will say the Spanish saying, we'll do a literal translation, and then we'll find an English equivalent for each one. Vamos con el video. Número 1. Lavarse las manos. Literal translation for this is to wash your hands. The meaning of this one is to avoid your responsibility, which the English equivalent for the saying would be to pass the bucket. So, lavarse las manos, to pass the bucket. Número 2. Hacer algo al pie de la letra. The literal translation of this one, it makes no sense. To do something to the foot of the letter. So, hacer algo al pie de la letra means to do something following the steps or what's been instructed. And the English equivalent for this saying would be to do something to the T. So, hacer algo al pie de la letra, to do something to the T. Número 3. No tener ni pies ni cabeza. If we do the literal translation of this one, it means not to have feet or head, which means it makes no sense. That's the actual meaning, that it makes no sense. The English equivalent for this one is without rhyme or reason. No tener ni pies ni cabeza, without rhyme or reason. Número 4. Meter la pata. Literal translation is to put the leg on it. The actual meaning of meter la pata is to make a mistake. The English equivalent for this is to put your foot on it. So, meter la pata, to put your foot on it. Número 5, and the last one, y la última, es no pegar ojo. Literal translation, to not strike an eye. And the meaning of no pegar ojo is to not sleep, to not being able to sleep. The English equivalent for this one is without sleeping a wink. No pegar ojo, without sleeping a wink. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments if you know these sayings or if you've heard of another saying. And if you like me to do a part 2 of sayings in Spanish with body parts, because there are a few more. If you have any suggestions, as always, let me know in the comments down below or contact me via other ways like email or social media. They're all in the description down below. Nos vemos en el próximo video. Hasta pronto. Adiós.